I got a gadget, tiny gadget, which is an alarm clock, this tiny. I'm gonna unbox the Mija Qingping Bluetooth alarm clock. What a name! Oh wow! Qingping! It is multiple alarms. Wow! Which is good. Bluetooth, nice. Humidity, awesome. Temperature, that's cool. So, okay. So here's the manual over here. It is. Oh, it's out of the frame. Oh, okay. There's more? How will I fit this in the frame? Just look at this. Anyways, so this is the thing. Oh, we need battery. I'll be right back with some batteries. So I bought some batteries. Let's put them in. So here I have the clock. Alright, it's already on. It's on. I don't know. How do you even set this? So I put batteries inside this. It's on. After putting batteries, it's on, and as we saw before, this tiny thing got light, which is I didn't knew that this had lights. And if I press this button, if I press this one here, see, it got light. So yeah, the timing, the time is not, it's not correct. The timing, it's not correct. This is the temperature monitor, and this is the humidity monitor. So this the temperature, it's not 28 degrees here. Currently it is 31 degree Celsius, as you can see. The humidity is not correct as well. The date it's showing is 1st January 2019, but currently we are ahead of this time. It's 30th April 2021. So what do you have to do to make these things correct, to make the time, the temperature, and the humidity correct? You have to, you have to plug it in with the Mija app. Not plug it in. You have to connect it with the Mija app. Yeah.